Welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Children, today we are going to do part 6 section of measures of capacity. In this, we are going to divide liquid measurements. So let us understand it. So let's begin it. First of all, we will check our homework part that was given yesterday of exercise 18C, multiplication of liquid measurements. So let us see. The second one, A part, 75 milliliters multiplied by 10. Now children, you can count the number of zeros here. Only one zero is there, so you can write 1, 0, and then the number which is written before 0, that is 1. You multiply with that number. So 75 ones are 75. So directly you can write down the answer 750 milliliters. Then B part, 110 milliliters multiplied by 9. Now same way you can do 0, 9 zeros are 0. Then 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So 990 milliliters. C part, 265 milliliters multiplied by 3. Now 3 5s are 15. 5 you will write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 3 6 are 18 plus 1 carry, that is 19. So write down 9 in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 3 2s are 6 and plus 1 carry, that is 7. So 795 milliliters. Then D part, 378 milliliters multiplied by 2. Now 2 8s are 16. So 6 you will write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 carry 15. So write 5 in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 2 threes are 6 and plus 1 carry is 7. So total answer is 756 milliliters. Then third A part children, 43 liters multiplied by 7. Now 7 threes are 21. So 1 you will write in the answer part and 2 as carry. Now 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So total answer is 301 liters. Now B part, 536 liters multiplied by 6. Now read out the table of 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 you will write in the answer part and 3 as carry. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So 1 you will write in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So total answer is 3216 liters. Children, don't forget to write the unit. C part, 215 liters multiplied by 5. Now 5 5s are 25. So 5 you will write in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 5 twos are 10. So total answer is 1075 liters. Then D part, 1032 liters multiplied by 4. Now 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Now 2 you will write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 4 ones are 4. So total answer is 4128 liters. So children, check out your answers and see what you have done. Now children, we are going to do exercise 18D, which is based on the dividing liquid measurement. Now whenever we will divide children, we will divide in the ordinary way only. First we will write liters and milliliters in separate columns, and then first we will divide from the liter side, then we will move towards milliliter side. Now see this question, third A part, 6 liter 54 milliliters divide by 6. Now 6 ones are 6. Subtract it, you will get 0. After that liter is written, write down liter above on the quotient also. The next number is 5. From the milliliter side, you have to copy down that word number 5 below, and 5 is smaller than 6, the divisor. So it will not go. So write down 0 first, then you will bring down another number down. So it will become 54. Now 54 comes in the table of 6 9 times. So write down 9 on the quotient and then we write below 54 again. So 54 minus 54 is 0. So your remainder is 0. Now milliliter you will write on the quotient also. Okay, unit you have to write it. So your total answer on the quotient is 1 liter 9 milliliters. Then see the B part, 75 liters 350 milliliters divided by 5. Now first number is 7 in the dividend, so which is greater than the divisor. So you can easily divide. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 10 is greater than 7. So you will take only one time. So write 1 on the quotient and then write 5 below. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. Then bring down the next number, it will become 25. Now 25 comes in the table of 5 times. So write down 5 above. 5 5s are 25. Then liter is written, write down liter on the quotient also. Then next number is 3. From the milliliter side, you will bring down 3. Now 3 is smaller than the divisor 5. So you will write 0 on the quotient. Then you will bring down the next number 5. It will become 35. Now 35 comes in the table of 5 7 times. So write down 7 on the quotient. 5 sevens are 35. Now 35 minus 35 is 0. Then after that also one number is there, that is 0. So write down 0 in the remainder. I'll leave it there. And write 0 on the quotient also, because 5 zeros are 0. Your answer will be 0 only. So after that milliliter is written. So write down milliliter. So total answer on the quotient is 15 liters 17 milliliters. Now see the C part, children. 68 liters 816 milliliters divided by 4. Now see the first number, it is bigger than the divisor, so it can easily be divisible. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now 8 is bigger than 6, so it will go only one times. So 4 ones are 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring down the next number, it will become 28. Now 28 comes in the table of 4 7 times. 4 sevens are 28. Now 28 minus 28 is 0. After that liter is written, so write down liter on the quotient also. Then come towards the milliliter side. First number is 8. Now 8 also comes in the table of 4 2 times. 4 twos are 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. Then bring down the next number 1. Now 1 is smaller than the divisor. Okay, so it will not go. So write down 0 first on the quotient, then bring down the next number. So it will become 16. Now 16 comes in the table of 4 4 times. Write down 4 on the quotient. 4 4s are 16. Then after that milliliter is also written. So write down milliliter on the quotient also. Your answer will be 0. And your total answer is 17 liter 204 milliliters. Then see the D part, children. 171 liters 855 milliliter divided by 9. Now the first number on the liter side is 1, which is smaller than the divisor 9. So you will take the another number. So it will become 17. Now you read out the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Now 18 is bigger than 17, so it will go one times only. So 9 ones are 9. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. Then bring down the next number, it will become 81. Now 81 comes in the table of 9 9 times. 9 nines are 81. Now 81 minus 81 is 0. After that liter is written, write down liter above also. Then bring down the next number 8. Now 8 is smaller than the divisor 9. So you will put 0 on the quotient. Then bring down the next number. It will become 85. Now read out the table of 9. 9 nines are 81. So you will write 9 on the quotient. So 85 minus 81 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then after that another number is written there 5. Bring down that it will become 45. Now 45 also comes in the table of 9 5 times. Write down 5 on the quotient part. 9 5s are 45. So 45 minus 45 is 0. Then milliliter is written. Write down milliliter above also. So your answer will be 19 liter 95 milliliter. And remainder is 0. Now children, see the E part. 288 liters 448 milliliters divided by 8. Now first number is 2, which is smaller than the divisor 8. So you will not divide, you will take another number. It will become 28. So now read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Now it is bigger than 28. So you will take 3 times. 8 threes are 24. Now subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then bring down the next number. 8, it will become 48. Now 48 comes in the table of 8 6 times. So write down 6 on the quotient and then subtract. 48 minus 48 is 0. Then liter is written, write down liter. 36 liters. Then come towards milliliter side. First number is 4, which is smaller than the divisor 8. So you will write down 0 above on the quotient and then you will bring down the next number. It will become 44. Now read out the table of 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. Now it will be bigger than 44. So you will take 5 times. 8 5s are 40. Now you subtract 44 minus 40. Answer will be 4. Then bring down the next number. Again it will become 48. Now 48 comes in the table of 8 6 times. Write down 6 on the quotient. Then subtract. 48 minus 48 is 0. Then write milliliters also, because this is the part of milliliter. So write on the quotient milliliter. Then your total answer is 36 liter 56 milliliters. See children, F part, 618 liters 324 milliliters divided by 6. Now first number is 6 children. It can be easily divisible. Now 6 ones are 6. Then bring down the next number 1. So 1 is smaller than the divisor 6. So write down 0 above. Then bring down the next another number down. So it will become 18. Now 18 comes in the table of 6 3 times. Write down 3 on the quotient. Then subtract. 18 minus 18 is 0. Then liter is written. Write down liter above. Then come towards milliliter side. Bring down the next number. That is 3. Now again 3 is smaller than the divisor 6. So write down 0 above on the quotient. Then bring down the next number. It will become 32. Now read out the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. Now 36 is greater than 32. So you will take 5 times. 6 5s are 30. Then subtract. 2 will be left. Then bring down the next number. It will become 24. Now 24 comes in the table of 6 4 times. So write down 4 on the quotient and then subtract. So your remainder will be 0 and your quotient will be 103 liters 54 milliliters. Now children, see the G part. 805 liters 490 milliliters divided by 7. Now 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then bring down the next number. It will become 10. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Now 14 is greater than 10. So you will take 1 times only. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Then bring down the next number and it will become 35. Now 35 comes in the table of 7 5 times. So write on the quotient 5. Then subtract. 0 will be left. Then liter is written. Write down liter above also. Then 4 is there. 4 is smaller than the divisor 7. It will not go. So write down 0 on the quotient part. Then bring down the next number. It will become 49. Now 49 comes in the table of 7 7 times. So write down 7 above on the quotient. Then subtract. So 49 minus 49 is 0. After that 0 is there. Then write down 0 on the remainder also and on the quotient also, because 7 zeros are 0. And milliliter, because it is milliliter part. So write down milliliter on the quotient also. So quotient answer, your answer on the quotient is 115 liters 70 milliliters. Then see the H part children. 207 liters 924 milliliters divided by 3. Now first number is smaller than the divisor, so you will take another number also. It will become 20. Now read out the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. Now 21 is bigger than 20, so you will take 6 times. 20 minus 18 is 2. Then bring down the next number. It will become 27. Now 27 comes in the table of 3 9 times. So write down 9 above on the quotient. 3 9s are 27. Now subtract. You will get 0 answer. Then after liter is written, write down liter above also in the quotient. Then bring down the next number from the milliliter side. That is 9. Now 9 comes in the table of 3 times. So write down 3 on the quotient. Then subtract. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. Then bring down the next number. That is 2. Now 2 is smaller than the divisor 3. It will not go. So write down 0 above on the quotient. Then bring down the next number 4. It will become 24. Now 24 comes in the table of 3 8 times. Now 3 8s are 24. Now 8 you write on the quotient and then subtract. So remainder will be 0 and quotient is 69 liters 308 milliliters. Always in division children, you have to start from the liter side, then you will go towards milliliter side. Whereas in case of addition, subtraction and multiplication, you will always start from the milliliter side and then you will go towards liter side. Now there is a homework for you from exercise 18D. Children, you have to do in copy very nicely. Question 1 A to D part, question 2 A to D part. Now I hope children you have understood this chapter nicely, and if any doubt is there you can ask in the class. Also revise all the measurement part. From tomorrow onwards we are going to start word problems based on measurements. With this I would like to say thank you.